Okay, so this tutorial is how to uninstall a program from your computer. So you want to go to the Start menu first at the bottom, and then you're going to want to go to Control Panel. So in Windows 10, it might not be on the tiles to start off with, so you could go all the way to the bottom. And let me see, I think it's in the System, Windows System. Yes, so you go to Windows System and Control Panel. Okay, so from there you can change your view, but I keep it on the large icons. So Programs and Features is what you're looking for. And now this is everything that's installed on your computer. So say you want to remove an old antivirus that wasn't working right, you would just click on it and highlight it, and then you'd go to Uninstall and say yes to uninstall it. And you have the option to uninstall or repair. So you just click uninstall and follow the instructions. I don't actually need to uninstall mine. So that's how you'd remove any program that's on your PC that you don't want no more. That's maybe not working correctly, or you want to reinstall it, or for whatever reason. So it's as simple as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, please like and subscribe.